Every day, giant factories produce millions of instant noodle packs for people around the world. The process begins with huge storage silos filled with high-quality wheat flour. Automated systems carefully measure flour and transfer it into industrial mixing machines. Water, salt, and special ingredients are added to create the perfect noodle dough. Powerful mixers knead the ingredients until a smooth and elastic dough is formed. The dough moves onto conveyors where rollers begin flattening it into sheets. Several rolling stages gradually create thin and uniform sheets of dough. Special cutting machines transform the sheets into countless noodle strands. Freshly cut noodles travel along conveyor belts toward the next production stage. The noodles are shaped into the familiar wavy form recognized worldwide. Next, the noodles enter steaming tunnels where they are partially cooked. Steaming improves texture and prepares the noodles for preservation. The cooked noodles are divided into carefully measured serving portions. Each portion is shaped into blocks that fit perfectly inside packaging. Rows of noodle cakes move rapidly through the enormous production facility. Many instant noodles are preserved by briefly frying them in hot oil. This step removes moisture and gives noodles their long shelf life. Some manufacturers use advanced air drying systems instead of frying. After processing, the noodle blocks are cooled before packaging. Before packaging, every noodle block undergoes strict quality inspection procedures.
Advanced cameras inspect every noodle block for size, shape, and consistency. Any imperfect products are automatically removed from the production line. Meanwhile, separate facilities prepare the famous seasoning packets. Carefully selected spices are blended to create signature noodle flavors. Large mixing systems ensure every packet contains the same delicious taste. The seasoning mixture is packaged into small sachets using high-speed equipment. Many noodle brands also include dehydrated vegetables for extra flavor. Special drying methods preserve vegetables while keeping their nutrients intact. All ingredients are transported to the packaging section for assembly. Now the noodle blocks enter one of the fastest stages of production. Seasoning packets are automatically added to every individual package. The packages are then sealed to protect freshness and flavor. Thousands of completed packs move through the factory every single minute. Each package is weighed to ensure it meets strict standards. Additional safety checks help guarantee product quality before shipping. Robotic systems organize the finished packs into shipping cartons. The cartons are sealed and prepared for transport around the world. Finished products are stored inside enormous distribution warehouses. Automated logistics systems help move products quickly and efficiently. From here, millions of noodle packs begin their journey to stores worldwide.
Every day, these shipments travel thousands of kilometers to reach consumers. Distribution centers receive and organize products before local delivery begins. Soon, the noodles arrive on store shelves, ready for purchase. Customers can choose from countless flavors and styles produced worldwide. Instant noodles have become one of the most popular foods on Earth. Modern supply chains allow factories to serve billions of consumers globally. Many factories operate 24 hours a day to meet growing demand. Even at night, production lines continue running with remarkable efficiency. Scientists constantly test products to maintain safety and consistency. Advanced software helps optimize every stage of the manufacturing process. Many manufacturers now invest heavily in sustainability and resource conservation. Renewable energy is becoming increasingly important in modern food production. Teams continually develop new flavors to satisfy changing consumer preferences. Today, hundreds of unique noodle varieties are available worldwide. The sheer speed of production remains one of the industry's greatest achievements. Millions of packages can be produced and distributed in an incredibly short time. People from all walks of life enjoy instant noodles every day. Just minutes after preparation, the final product is ready to enjoy. From simple ingredients to global distribution, the journey is truly remarkable. This is how massive factories produce the instant noodles enjoyed by millions worldwide.